Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for positive affirmations. If you're seeking to uplift yourself and cultivate a more positive mindset, you're in the right place. This short meditation is designed to provide you with a quick boost of positivity and self-love, perfect for beginners and anyone in need of a little encouragement. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to tune into your breath, the gentle rhythm of inhaling and exhaling that sustains your life. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice any tension or tightness in your body, and with each exhale, allow yourself to release any stress or worry that you may be holding on to. Now, let's introduce some positive affirmations into our practice. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can help reprogram your subconscious mind and boost your self-confidence and self-esteem. Now repeat silently to yourself or out loud after me. I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am deserving of happiness and abundance. I am strong and resilient in the face of challenges. I am surrounded by love and support. As you continue to repeat these affirmations, allow yourself to truly feel the truth and power behind each statement. Know that you are worthy, capable, and deserving of all the good things that life has to offer. If any negative thoughts or doubts arise, gently acknowledge them and then let them go. You are not defined by your past or your mistakes. You have the power to create a bright and positive future for yourself. Now, let's take a moment to express gratitude for ourselves and for this practice. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting our perspective and cultivating a more positive outlook on life. Thank yourself for taking the time to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Know that by investing in your own well-being, you are setting yourself up for success and happiness in all areas of your life. As we prepare to conclude this meditation, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension or stress from your body. Know that you can return to these affirmations whenever you need a reminder of your own worth and potential. You are enough just as you are, and you are capable of creating a life filled with joy, love, and abundance. Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute guided meditation for positive affirmations. May you carry this sense of empowerment and self-love that you've cultivated in this practice with you as you go about your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, kindly like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, be well, my friend.